Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Chess Galaxy 1. Bafunjan.
Sharp unjani Ngobo?
Sharp, thanks man. Your take on the game today?
He came the Pirates in the TS Galaxy. I think he draw is a fair results for bona.
Yeah.
Labafana ba jongo bebegasho no tricop badlalile ukuthi chejane nabomdume.
Motive for bona shoban Pirates or TS Galaxy?
For TS Galaxy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a win anyway for bona.
It's a win for bona. So ukuthi bahlale lapho kule position le yabaki. But for Pirates for yona I think izo military coach kwazi ukubuya next season because if bazoqhubeka le coach alele badlale bangana coach and then kuzoba nzima kuzobuya le situation le yabo le yokhala kakhulu ingarely kubo manje ncikazi mele ithole proper coach elizokhona ukuthi labafana laba liqhubeke labagcine khona other than that if izo coach wabo mandla and then asibadeleli but ayinikeze nje ithole coach eli qualified lithatha iPirates liqhubeke la uRivera agcine khona.
Siyabonga i-team yakho akuhambi kahle. What do you think? Do you think nizongena top 8 noma right nge-Nedbank Cup kuphela?
No, Mapoloba, as long as nginwinele la cup ngisharp mina bona. But i-top 8 yona ngizongena ngembobo yenaliti mfethu. Ngembobo yenaliti ngizongena. Just the Chiefs izophazanyiswa yilo nemagesi. Because mawubheka lapha elikini lapha imagesi yiyo lengathi izo-sky problem.
Kodwa ngoba idlala nePirates egcineni maybe Pirates ingayishaya.
Sekusebenza i-calculator and nakusasa nje ngifisa i-Sundowns ishayo yabona. Mayiya ku-Pirates ngiyazi nalapho bazoyidla. Mina Saturday ngizozama ukuzilwela lapho kuPolokwane City.
Inkinga lapho i-Chiefs bayayilwela abanye abantu but yona ayifuni ukuzilwela. Bona namhlanje i-Sundowns balwelile midweek, Pirates yabalwela midweek. Nakusasa iyowalwela futhi. But bona bahlula ukuzilwela yini indaba.
Ilona I mean nakule game le yesikhukhune Mapoloba bengiwinile lapha because of lapha ku 93rd minute beyithola ipenalty Chiefs abayinikezanga. I-clear penalty leyana so bona Mandela ababahlaziyayo ukuthi
ngekusasiza kwaMande. Sekuphelile i1 point kuphela. EzaMande ngezasiza.
Kodwa Mapoloba
number 9 manje. Number 9 or number 10 khona la.
Ngiku number 9 because ichipa yona seyiqedile ukudlala siyalingana ngama point so thina sele ngale game e1 automatically chipa kushuthi ngadraw ngiyandlula
nazo
but automatically but ngisasendethemba lokuthi top 8 iyangena but if iChiefs ingangenanga top 18 izobe ingaqala ukungena mfethu
ithemba libulali
mfethu
thank you Mapoloba. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.